Hi, I'm Professor Paul Tipton. I'm Clinical Director of Tipton Training and also T Clinics Manchester and London. We have a training business and we train dentists all around the country. We train dentists abroad as well, up to level 7 PT certificate and PT diplomas. Our major courses are in implant dentistry, in aesthetic dentistry, restorative dentistry and tooth preparations via phantom head techniques. During the autumn, we're going to be doing a series of special one-day seminar lecture workshops on specific topics. The first one I'm going to be doing is on occlusion and the relevance of occlusion to restorative dentistry. Very important that all general dentists out there understand occlusion and see how it's important to restorative dentistry. Second one we're going to be doing is treatment planning and how you treatment plan a large restorative case, from examination all the way through until the final delivery of the case. And it's important that you get all those different parts of the treatment planning into the right order so you can deliver the case and the case is going to be successful. Another one we're going to be doing is implants and new implantology techniques and how implantology is realistically something that all general dental practitioners with good training should now be getting into. Another exciting one, a brand new one we're going to be doing, is treatment and management of the worn dentition and showing people how they can really start to treatment plan the worn dentition cases so they don't have to refer them out. Another exciting one we're going to be doing is new tooth preparation techniques. Many of you will have heard of the VertiPrep, of the biologically orientated tooth preparation technique. Well, we're going to be doing those now. And we're going to be showing dentists how to incorporate these brand new latest techniques into their clinical practice. These courses can benefit everybody, from the new graduate who wants to learn these brand new techniques before getting on the treadmill of dentistry and potential NHS dentistry, all the way through to experienced dentists in their own private practices who are maybe wanting to just update their skills or get a new idea about how to incorporate these new skills into their practice. All of these courses are limited in attendance, so if you want to get involved and come on these days, then you need to come and book early. We've got all the details on the website if you want to go and visit tiptontraining.co.uk or phone us and we will book the seat for you.